Ever been lost at a massive event, struggling to find your way? Or stuck in a long line when there's a faster route? What if I told you there's a game changer in event management that makes everything smoother, smarter, and more engaging? Meet digital signage, the secret weapon transforming events worldwide. Stick around because we're deep diving into how it works and why you'll want to use it. Managing an event is no easy task. Whether it's a massive trade show, a corporate conference, or a music festival, organisers face tons of challenges. Think about it. Crowds struggling to find their way, last-minute schedule changes causing confusion, inefficient communication between organisers and attendees, limited engagement and interaction. In the past, events relied on printed signs, flyers, and manual updates. But let's be real. These are slow, outdated, and waste a ton of paper. That's where digital signage comes in. So what exactly is digital signage? It's essentially any digital screen displaying real-time information, but it's way more than just a fancy TV screen. Imagine an event where dynamic maps guide attendees in real time, schedules update instantly to reflect changes, live social media feeds showcase trending moments, touchscreen kiosks provide self-service information. It's like having a 24/7 assistant helping both organisers and attendees without the hassle of outdated print materials. Now, let's get into the juicy part, how digital signage actually improves events. Here are the top ways it changes the game. Real-time information updates. Schedule changes? No problem. Digital signage updates instantly, keeping the attendees in the loop. Interactive navigation. No more lost attendees. Interactive maps and wayfinding kiosks help guests navigate large venues. Sponsorship and advertising opportunities. Monetize your events by displaying sponsor ads and promotions on digital screens, turning them into revenue-generating tools. Increased engagement. Use QR codes, live polls, and social media feeds to boost audience interaction and create a more immersive experience. Emergency alerts and safety announcements. In case of an emergency, digital signage can quickly display evacuation instructions or important updates. So, whether you're planning a massive festival or a small networking event, digital signage is the key to a smoother, smarter experience. Ready to take your event to the next level? Like and subscribe for more insights and let us know in the comments, how would you use digital signage at your next event? Get started for free at yodeck.com.